Postpartum depression is depression that can occur after giving birth. It's important to prevent it because it can negatively impact bonding with your baby. During pregnancy, take care of your mental health. Continue therapy if you're already in it, or start therapy if you have a history of depression and anxiety. Talk to a doctor about any concerns. After birth, accept help from loved ones so you can rest and focus on bonding with your newborn. Let other cook, clean, and run errands for you. Take time to care for yourself. Shower, exercise gently, eat well, and don't isolate yourself. Spend time with supportive friends and family. If you start to feel depressed, talk to a doctor right away. Postpartum depression is treatable with therapy, medication, or other support. Getting help quickly leads to the best outcome. Remember, you're not alone. Many new moms experience baby blues or postpartum depression. Reach out for support. With the right care, you can feel like yourself again.